I've been gone for far too long, but with all that we've been through, after all this time I'm coming home to you. Never let it show the pain I've grown to know, 'cause with all these things we do, it don't matter when I'm coming home to you. I reach towards the sky, said my goodbyes, my heart's always with you now. I won't question why so many a time my prayers have made it through, yeah. 'Cause with all these things we do, it don't matter when I'm coming home to you. I reach towards the sky, I've said my goodbyes, my heart's always with you now. I won't question why so many a time my prayers have made it through, yeah. 'Cause with all these things we do, it don't matter when I'm coming home to you. I've always been true, I've waited so long just to come home to you. I'm making it through, it's been far too long. We've broken the law, but the time's so strong for me and you. This time's in the night, maybe in the light. I'll bring me closer than I am with you. And with all that we've been through, after all this time I'm coming home to you. I'll reach towards the sky, I said my goodbyes, my heart's always with you now. I won't question why so many a time my prayers have made it through, yeah. 'Cause with all these things we do, it don't matter